Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today I'm reviewing a classic chicken pot pie from Allrecipes member Robbie Rice. The filling is made completely from scratch with chicken, carrots, peas, and celery. Then it all goes into a store-bought crust that makes it a weeknight friendly option. So stay with me and we'll get started. Okay, so everything went smoothly with this chicken pot pie. For the crust, I used the Pillsbury 2-pack that you roll out yourself, and that worked out great. Instead of crimping the edge on the top one, I made a simple decoration with a fork like you see on frozen pot pies from the store. I think that looked really nice and traditional. For the filling, I cooked it until it thickened up to a gravy-like consistency, and that worked well also. I baked the pie for 20 minutes, and the crust was nice and brown, and it was ready to go. For the last 5 minutes of baking, I had to add a pie shield so the edge wouldn't overcook and burn. You could also use aluminum foil as well. Now it was time for the taste test. When I took the first bite, it was very good and was cooked perfectly. The first thing I tasted was the celery seed. I felt it was slightly overpowering, but it might have been that particular bite because it wasn't as noticeable for the rest of the piece. The filling was the right consistency, and the chicken and peas were delicious, and I also loved the sauteed onion. I feel like it needed more black pepper as well as a little more salt, but that's just personal preference. Next time, I'll add some crumbled cooked bacon as well as some homemade poultry seasoning, which I think would be fantastic and would take the flavor to another level. Overall, I give this pot pie 5 stars. It was delicious and tasted so much better than anything you buy pre-made. So give it a try when you're craving something homemade and comforting. I'm sure you'll love it too. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to watch my other reviews in my chicken recipes playlist.